Hi, I'm Michelle, and this is how to use Railroad Ink in your school or homeschool setting. In Railroad Ink, you are going to be designing your own railroad and roadway system. You're trying to make the most efficient use of the road and track pieces that you are able to use. This game is for ages 8 and up, which is probably pretty accurate. It takes about 30 minutes to play, and it can be played with 1 to 6 people. Although, when you purchase the game, there is a QR code that gives you a printable for more pages, which would really give you a limitless number of people that you can play it with, making it really ideal for a school setting. In Railroad Ink, you have a very limited amount of resources. Each time you have 4 pieces of track or road in which to use. The students really need to think about how they're going to plan out their city, knowing that if they get a specific piece, it could really make it perfect, but that piece might not ever come. So it's a matter of using what you get while also trying to plan for what might be able to happen. This game goes very well hand in hand with discussions about how roadways are planned, how railroads are planned. You could also discuss the challenges that are faced when roadways and railways are made. What is your favorite resource to discuss infrastructure, railroads, roads, whatever the case may be? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.